Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Fingers Crossed. In today's episode, I'll actually be trying out Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So this mask has been really popular. There are like a ton of good reviews out there all over the internet and even on their website itself. I've been wanting to try it for the longest time, but it was so hard to get it in Singapore. So only when I went to Australia recently at Mecca Maxima was I able to actually find it. This mask is actually suitable for all skin types and is mainly targeted at skin concerns of like acne, dullness, dark spots and anti-aging. Now it contains 4 main key ingredients, which is watermelon, pumpkin extract, hyaluronic acid, as well as AHA, which are your chemical exfoliators. So there are 2 ways to use this mask. The first is to use it as the last step in your night skincare routine, where you just apply it on, go to sleep, and then wake up the next morning and wash your face. The second option is actually to use it as a wash off mask, where you just need to apply it and then you leave it on for 10 minutes and then you wash it off. I'm going to be using it as a sleeping mask, which is the first option, and I hope that my skin looks as bright and glowy as their model did in their commercial on YouTube. I'm just going to put a disclaimer out here. My skin is actually not doing really well at the moment because I was traveling, and due to the weather changes, I'm actually having a really bad breakout. It's slowly starting to heal now that I'm back in Singapore, but it's just not great. It's just not great. So I'm really sad, but I do hope there is a clear like before and after that I will try to show. But just ignore the little pimples on my face. I'm just not in a good place right now with my skin. So without further ado, I'm just gonna remove my makeup, do my night skincare routine, which you guys can check out over here. I'll link it and you can see after this video. And yeah, I will put on the mask right after that. So I've done my whole skincare routine, and now the last step is to use the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. They actually do say that you have to mix the product vigorously for about a minute until it reaches like a gel-like consistency. So I do think this consistency is okay. It's pretty gel-like. They actually do recommend using 2 scoops of it, an additional dime if you do have drier skin, but I don't, so I'm just going to use 2 scoops, and I'm supposed to just pat it in, like no rubbing, just patting. So here we go. I'm just gently patting it in. It is a bit sticky as I'm patting it in, but honestly, it smells so good. Okay, I think I'm done. I think it's well patted in. I might go over it a bit more just because I'm paranoid like that. But after that, I'm gonna have a good rest because it's actually really late over here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. So I know I said I'll see you guys the next morning, but just before as I was going to sleep, like I was doing some work earlier, I actually did notice some peeling over at this part. They actually did say that it is normal for there to be some peeling after use. It's because the product actually contains lactic and glycolic acid, which helps to gently peel dead skin and retexturize overnight. I was just really shocked at how fast it worked in that sense, just because less than an hour into me using the product or like leaving it on, I already started to notice like a little bit on my chin. So that was quite amazing. Okay, so it's morning time and I'm super tired. I can like barely open my eyes, but I'm gonna wash this off. Now because I use it as a sleeping mask, I actually have to wash it off with a cleanser, so I'm just gonna use my like normal cleanser that I use in the morning. That was the before and after. My skin definitely looks brighter. I've tried to maintain the lighting the same for the night before and this morning so that you could tell on camera, but I'm not too sure how well that went. But in real life, I can definitely tell that my face is brighter, and actually after I washed my face, I couldn't stop touching it because it was so smooth that I was like, oh my gosh, that feels amazing. The best part about this product for me is honestly its formulation. I think the combination of AHAs and hyaluronic acid was really smart, and it does help to reinforce each other to leave your skin feeling soft and bright, because AHAs are chemical exfoliators and it really helps to peel away any dead skin cells. So when you use it and you wash it off the next morning, it really leaves your skin feeling smooth and bright. And then hyaluronic acid helps to reinforce it, because if your skin is feeling hydrated, it will naturally feel soft and look bright as well. So I do think this combination is really smart and I really like it. I think that's what makes this product really work and the results really show. Another thing though is that if you're not a huge fan of scents, then I really don't think you will like this product, because the watermelon scent was actually really strong and it smells really sweet. I like it. I think it smells amazing, but some people don't like any scents in their skincare products. So if you have an issue with that, then I definitely think this product might not be for you. Oh no, I can definitely see where the hype is. Your skin is left feeling really smooth and it looks bright and it's almost instantaneous because it's overnight. So I do think it works really well. I'm impressed by the formulation. I really have to say, I think the formulation was spot on with this. So that is it for this episode. I hope you guys like it. Do leave a comment down below if you have tried the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask and let me know what you think of it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. Also turn on that notification bell so that you know when a new video is out. Fingers crossed episodes actually come out every Thursday at 6 PM Singapore time. So I'll see you guys next Thursday. Bye!